Welcome to the post-game interview, and we have here from the winning team of Quezon, Coach Eric Gonzalez and Judel Fuentes. Siguro unahin ko muna si Judel, no? And sinasabi ng marami, there's no place like home. Kita naman natin yung suporta kanina ng mga taga Quezon, no? But apart from that, syempre meron din konting parang tightness, magkahalong excitement rin ba yan? Medyo may halong kaba rin ba yan? Can you tell us something about it, Judel?
Ano lang kumbaga kinuha lang namin yung advantage namin sa kanila kasi nga bumiyahe kami after nung game 2, bumiyahe kami papunta dito. Almost 6 hours yung biyahe namin. So, ang advantage namin doon is yung katawan namin kasi bata pa kami and then sila medyo veterano na and yun na nga blessed kami na nakuha namin yung panalo.
Okay. Coach, one win away from the championship and dito ulit lalaruin no, sa Quezon. No? But like in any other title series, the close-out game is the hardest thing na makuha. No? But what are your expectations other than that?
Sa Game 4 po,
Yeah.
ano po siguro, champion po yung team na yan. Champions, always play hard and play their best, especially when their backs is against the wall na already. So kami, we keep on pursuing them, we keep on playing harder, okay, together as a team. Mahirap po talaga kalaban ng Nueva Ecija, magaling na coach po sila Don Dula, yung mga coaching staff. Kailangan po talaga we have to earn the victory.
Okay. Alright. Judel, it's been a while no since yung laro ninyo parang nagsettle kasi kanina parang medyo tight, 'di ba? Parang nahihirapan kayong timplahin, no? What were the adjustments made?
Inuuna namin is defense para pagdating namin sa loob, magja-gel na kami and makuha na namin yung kumpiyansa namin and yun na nga nakuha naman yung panalo.
Coach, there was one stretch, particularly in the third quarter, hirap na hirap kayong makashoot, no? And nakita natin, you struggle. But as a coaching staff, ano yung things na kinakailangan nyo i-tweak para mabalik ulit sa dating forma yung laro?
We just have to stick on our game plan and we just have to execute it. We keep on reminding the team every time out about the rules na kailangan kasi madalas po pag ganito nagme-mental lapse po para doon po kami makulit. At the same time, talagang diin po. Whatever happens, sabi ko nga kanina magkakamali, importante, walang tulungan yung bawat isa.
Okay, lastly guys, for both of you, kay Judel, no? Let's talk about the crowd support na ipinakita nila, yung pagmamahal na ipinakita ng mga taga Quezon. This is Game 3 and inaasahan natin mas matindi yung suporta na ibibigay nila sa Game 4, no? What can you say about the support?
Actually, first time kong maglaro nito na puno yung gym talaga. As in, puno. And yun na nga, sana sa Game 4, andyan pa rin sila nakasuporta sa amin. And sana makuha namin yung talagang goal namin na mag-champion.
Okay, Coach, in anticipation of a possible championship, inaasahan natin yung mga taga Quezon dito, dudumugin talaga kayo sa Game 4, no? So, how would you describe the support at pagmamahal ng mga taga Quezon?
Ang Quezon po, marami po magagaling na coach at player dito. Talagang very passionate. Pag sablay ang coach, talagang makakarinig ka. Pero alam mo, isang bagay ang nakita ko basta pagdating sa larangan ng basketball, they're one and they're together and we continue to offer this game for them. Ayan po ang talagang bilin sa amin ng mga nila Governor Helen, nila Kong Mike, nila Boss RD na ito, nila Attorney Don, nila Mayor Ralph na kaya to binuo para sa mga tiga Quezon to make them talagang united at the same time talagang bigyan ng talagang kalugdan po ba ng magandang show, magandang team. Talagang ganun po ang namin, ang kalooban namin para yun sinasabi ko sa mga players. Okay, magtrabaho tayo, 'di ba? Kasi in-honor natin si God. We give God glory. Pangalawa, yung pamilya natin. Pangatlo, syempre, pinakamahalaga, yung support ng mga boss, napakababait ng mga yan. At the same time, yung crowd na to, 'di ba? Talagang gusto namin din na masuklian ang pag-cheer nila at saka pagpunta nila sa amin. Hindi lang po yung mga nandito, alam ko marami pa pong gustong pumunta, baka wala ng ticket. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta nyo. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Okay, so that wraps up our post-game interview. Congratulations to you, Coach Eric, and congratulations, Judel. Oh, good, Judel, sige. Opportunity. Oh, okay lang, okay lang. Sige na, sige na, sige na.
Ayun, binabati ko yung asawa ko. Kasi may sakit magpagaling ka na and yun lang.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, get well soon, and congratulations, Judel and Coach Eric.
Team.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.